further improve your chatbot's understanding and prevent you from making errors, our platform includes a conflict control feature such as conflicts are very often similar phrases that can confuse your chatbot. If you enter the same information in multiple questions in the knowledge base, your chatbot might respond incorrectly or confusingly, as it won't know which of the two pieces of information to use. To start the analysis, go to the Improve step and then click on the tab as shown in the video. Start the conflict analysis and wait for the results. If you have done a good job, you will be notified that you can proceed to training. Otherwise, the questions containing conflicts to be managed will be shown. A quick way to address this issue is to aggregate the text that triggered this notification into a single question. Don't worry if your answers are too long, as the generative artificial intelligence will be able to retrieve only the information your user really needs.